Bit of a damp start to the day. Things have been cheering up quite nicely. In fact, most of us should get to see a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, but there will also be a scattering of showers, and that's a theme we'll become familiar with through the rest of this week. There will be a brief interruption to that theme, though, come tonight, because we see this band of cloud approaching rapidly from the Atlantic, and that will bring us some very wet and windy conditions. More of that in a moment. First of all, let's look at what we've got for the time being. That cloud clearing away towards the northeast, taking the more persistent rain with it. So you can see the cloud breaking quite nicely behind it. Sunny spells, like I said, for most people, but also a good scattering of showers. In fact, if we take a look around the country at 3 o'clock, you can see the detail there. That rain hanging on across the far northeast of Scotland and the Northern Isles. But elsewhere across Scotland, the cloud breaking quite nicely, so some sunny spells coming through, but also those showers. In fact, almost anywhere across the country could catch a shower through this afternoon. But with a bit of a breeze blowing, they'll probably move through fairly swiftly, so you won't be caught out for too long, and before you know it, the sunshine will return. Look at the temperatures though, 10, 11, even 12 degrees in places, so that is pretty good for this time of year, and if you manage to get a bit of shelter from that breeze, and if you manage to dodge those showers, it should feel quite pleasant. Quite a number of showers across the western side of Wales, a scattering there for Northern Ireland, and like I say, it will be fairly breezy. But the breeze, nothing compared to what we're going to see tonight, because the winds will strengthen considerably as that weather front approaches from the Atlantic. So we're looking at a strong southwesterly wind, gales in western exposures, and a spell of heavy and persistent rain for all parts of the UK. Perhaps clearing from more western areas later in the night, but a consequence of all that wind and rain overnight means that temperatures won't fall too low. We're looking at 5 or 6 degrees as a minimum. So that rain will continue to clear its way down towards the southeastern corner come the morning. So by the time we get to rush hour, it will have cleared from most areas, but it'll still linger on across the extreme southeast, and it won't be too far away from many southern counties. So it could be a little bit of a grey and damp start across southern counties of England first thing in the morning, and still quite windy, particularly around the southwest there. But things should improve. That rain will eventually move away. It'll hang around across the Channel Islands, I should think. The cloud eventually following into the afternoon. Elsewhere, well, a brighter start. That's a similar east-west split really across northern England as well. As we head down through the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast, we can't rule out the chance of a few showers cropping up through this afternoon, but I don't think we'll be seeing too many. As we head further west, it is a different story though. Some thicker cloud actually moving in across the southwest of England and parts of Wales will bring more frequent showers here, and once again there could be some really